Hi guys, and welcome to Escape Wheel Watch Reviews. My name is Steve, and today we're doing an unboxing. Haven't done an unboxing of a new Pagani Design in a while. They seem to have slowed down on their production of new models, and this one has gotten a lot of hype recently, so I say we get right into it. Before we do, I'll do a quick wrist check today. Wearing a Christmas present and a promotional present from myself. Just crossed 15 years at my workplace, and they sent me some cash, and I paid for about half of this watch with it. So yeah, that was really nice. But yeah, back to the watch itself. And also just want to say Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, Happy New Year to everyone. I really do appreciate you guys and your support over the years. This would just not be possible without you guys. So yeah, huge thank you to everybody. And yeah, I really do appreciate you guys tuning into the channel. And I like bringing you new designs like this. So let's get right into this package here. This is, I don't even know the model number, but this is the new Pagani Design GMT green dial. Initial impressions right off the bat are that it looks pretty good. We'll get some dimensions here in just a second. Let me take off all this wrapping, and then you can get a little bit better view of it. Alright guys, so I got it all unwrapped here. Everything looks pretty good to me. I don't see any immediate quality control issues. Yeah, I mean, it looks good. This is obviously the green version there, so it has that full patina. We'll do a lume check here in just a moment. We'll check the dimensions. So just under 40 millimeters in diameter. 13.8 thick. Just under 47 lug to lug. Looks to be a 20 millimeter strap. Yep. Bracelet tapers down to 18 at the clasp. Female end links. So yeah, it does look pretty good. Getting up close, you can see finishing also actually looks pretty darn good to me. Kind of that typical Pagani brushing. It's a little bit heavier than others, and but it does seem to be pretty consistent. Circular brushing on the top there. You got a signed crown as well. Display case back, everything like that. The bracelet seems pretty nice as well. It's kind of that same bracelet from the PD1784, so it is a fully articulating bracelet here. It does kind of hang up on itself a little bit, but it should be a very comfortable bracelet. It just feels a little bit light, especially for this bigger watch head, but everything does seem to be functioning and looking really good. The dial, matte dial, and it has that polished accent around it, as like the previous one did as well, so that's nice to see. Let's check the alignment here. Let's move everything to 12 o'clock. 12 o'clock alignment looks good. Look at that alignment. Can't complain about that alignment. I believe the retail price for this watch is $200. They do have some coupons and stuff like that. $200 is a lot for a Pagani Design. Yeah, this kind of happens with all of them. They have coupons right off the bat, and then the price does eventually start creeping down. So, but if you're impatient, obviously, link will be down below. The bezel on this thing, it is a 120 click unidirectional. It's not a bidirectional. Alignment on mine seems to be, yeah, pretty much spot on. You saw that I was able to rotate it back a little bit. It kind of has that spring loaded bezel a little bit. So this one does seem to be aligned nicely. Bezel action, nice and clicky, very loud, pretty smooth, and I'll say consistent. But yeah, it doesn't sound quality, but it's pretty nicely done in my opinion. So yeah, I'm not really sure what else to do other than to size it and put it on wrist. So I will do that right now, and I'll leave you at that. So as you're watching these pictures here and videos here, just know that the link down is in the video description. I did not pay for this watch, and I don't have to send it back. But yeah, first impressions of the watch are pretty good. So go check that out. Really appreciate it, guys. Thanks a lot for watching. Happy New Year, and I'll see you in 2024.